Hi, for Uber.
Hi, yeah.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, welcome on in.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
What?
This is nice.
What?
Your car.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did I hit Uber Black by accident?
No, I just figured I'd, just pick up the normies today in the G-Wagon.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so.
It's my lucky day.
It is. Yeah, so, what do you think?
It's beautiful.
I got the leather stitching. It's real leather, by the way.
Smells like it.
Yeah, so yeah, you can feel it. You can feel around if you want.
Cushion seats.
Yeah, I got a little sunroof up here.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, don't get too many ideas, but if you want to stick your head out the sunroof, I wouldn't complain. I'll put it that way.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, what do you do in your daytime when you're not driving Uber?
I'm an Uber driver. What do you mean? I do this full time.
Really?
Yeah. It's a pretty good job. Like, they pay us pretty well now, ever since like the pandemic and stuff. Like,
well, that's good to know.
Yeah, and I get like gas discounts and stuff, so it's pretty nice.
Wow.
What are you looking at up there?
It's just the roof is so soft.
Is it? Doesn't all cars have soft roofs?
I mean, not like this. It's like suede.
Yeah. So, anyways, I know it's a short ride, so just maybe thinking maybe we could go for a ride in the car maybe later or another day.
Yeah, I mean, I have other places to go. Can I just like directly get to you through the app?
I mean, I can give you my Snapchat.
Oh. Yeah, yeah.
Is that cool? I don't know.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
I don't really use Snapchat anymore, but
well, we could
I
do
can
like
take it.
You have AIM or email?
I do have an email.
Okay. Well, I still use AIM.
Okay.
But
I haven't used that in a while, but
yeah.
I could like re-download it though if that's like the way you prefer to communicate.
Yeah, actually my number's right on the back seat, so.
Oh wow, engraved.
Yeah, well, I just, so many people ask for my number, so I just figured I'd put it right there.
Yeah.
So yeah, just shoot me a text whenevs.
Okay, I'll just take a picture of that there.
All right, well, yeah, thanks so much, and have a great day.
Awesome, thank you so much.
All right.
Have fun driving in the car.
Thank you. Hello, did you order Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What's the name?
What's your name?
Oh no, you need to say my name for the Uber.
No. What's the name that you ordered?
Oh no, I just didn't make sure it's like a security thing. So can you just say my name?
I can't, cause just for like my privacy.
Oh,
and I don't know who
privacy.
you are. Like.
Well, I mean, I'm your Uber driver. Like.
Well, I don't know that.
Did you look at the license plate when you got in? Make sure it's the right car. Probably not.
I'm pretty sure that it's like.
Okay, just say my name then.
But even if it is the same, like you could be like totally like stealing this car, or like you could
stealing
be
the car.
Creep or something like that.
So you think I'm gonna steal a car and then use it to drive Uber?
Yeah, just to get some like extra money or something. This is a nice car.
You have no logic. Or are you like a feminist or something?
Yeah, I am actually.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
You have a problem with feminists?
No, but I like Andrew Tate and I watch the Fresh and Fit podcast.
Okay, well, like, it's good for you, but I have more rights because I'm a female. I'm a woman.
Oh my gosh.
Living in this society right now, so
okay, well, guess what?
You need to chill out.
I'm gonna give you a taste of your own medicine.
Oh, okay, what?
I identify as a female. So what now? Now I have just as much rights as you. So what's my name? Say my name.
I can't say your name.
Why not?
Because I don't know your name. Tell me your name.
What, can you not talk clearly?
I just don't know who you are. Like, you could literally be trying to kidnap me right now.
Oh my god.
Can you just drive the car?
That's like accusation.
Just drive
That's
the
like
car.
accusation.
Bro, just drive the car.
You know what?
Like,
you know what? I'm not doing this.
What do you mean you're not doing this?
I don't have time
for the ride.
I don't have time to give rides to crazy feminists. So get out.
I already paid for. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, get out of the car.
I'm literally gonna leave you like a 1-star review.
Well,
Can I leave you negative
I already canceled the ride, so you can't.
Are you actually kidding me right now?
Are you kidding me right now? You literally sound like a 4-year-old.
I'm through.
You know what? Get out and walk.
Whatever.
That's where you belong. To the streets.
A new Uber.
You belong to the streets.
F off.
Hello, for Uber Black. Hi, did you order Uber Black?
Yes, I did.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Can you confirm the name?
Jessica?
Yeah. Yeah, how's your day going?
Oh yeah, it's so good. I'm going to my first ever content house. I know it's a little far, but I'm really excited.
Oh, are you like a TikToker or something?
Oh my god, yes. If you do you not know who I am? You don't know who I am.
I'm sorry.
You don't know who I am. Are
No,
those
I don't
glasses
really.
Not like you can't. You need better prescription.
Well, I don't really go on TikTok because it's kind of lame, to be honest.
Well, you're lame because I have like 20,000 followers. I don't understand. You don't know how I am. How do you not know who I am?
I mean, 20,000 isn't like.
No, it's a lot.
Okay. Well.
So, I saw on TikTok that if I rate my Uber driver a 1 star, that I get my refund back.
Wait, what?
That's how
You
I get
saw
around.
what?
That's
You
how
saw
I-
something on TikTok for what?
That if I go at the, I saw on TikTok that if I rate my Uber driver a 1 star, I get my refund back.
No, you can't do that. Because
That's how I get around.
No,
I don't know what you're talking about.
that's not how it works.
I'm
Because
Jessica.
if you rate the ride a 1 star, like it's gonna affect my rating, and I could get fired for that.
But that's okay. I mean, you can always work at Walmart. They're paying like I think $15 an hour. And
This
if
is
you get
my job.
fired there, you can go to In-N-Out.
15 an hour is not even minimum wage. Joe Biden raised the minimum wage. I'm like, this is my
really?
job.
No, I thought it was 15.
Don't
But
you
no,
make enough on TikTok that you should be able to afford it with all your 20,000 followers?
The creator fund's not giving me enough right now.
The creator
but
fund?
This is how I actually get around. I don't know why you don't, or how you don't know.
So you just
about
go
this.
around and you basically just get free rides?
Yes, I do all the time.
You know
And,
what?
Like, you're taking forever getting to the content.
Has this
here.
thing been trending on TikTok? Because this has happened to me 3 times today already. And you know what? I'm going to give you a taste of your own medicine. I'm recording this.
Taste of my-
I'm going to post this on TikTok. And all your followers are going to see this.
Not my
And I'm going to tell
20,000.
everybody not to do this anymore.
I'm sorry, but it's true. There's someone that posted on TikTok. Go look for yourself.
Yeah,
You're
and I'm going to...
post it, and then they're
My
gonna do the
followers are
same
going to
thing.
blow this up. They're probably going to get this to a
Yes,
million
but I'm
likes.
Jessica. No one leaves
And
Jessica.
that way, people can see not to do that anymore.
I don't understand why you don't understand.
So instead of... I'm actually
You're
have a...
making no sense.
Can you listen to me for a second? Can you listen?
No.
I actually have a surprise for you.
You have a surprise?
Yeah, instead of taking you to your content house,
Yeah.
because you're trying to get a free ride, I'm going to take you to the police station.
Police station?
Yeah, and they're going to put you in handcuffs.
Why would they put me in handcuffs?
Because you're trying to take advantage
Okay, but I
of
didn't put hands on you. I
an
didn't
Uber
do
driver.
anything. No, I'm not.
I'm just a poor Uber
This
driver.
is how
I make
get
$4
around.
an hour.
I've done this before.
So there's a
You
police
don't
station right
understand.
up here. Are you ready?
You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, it's right up here on the corner.
That
And
don't look like one, sweet pea. I don't think you know where you're going.
It's right around the corner.
I think your glasses, you need better glasses. Because clearly you're not driving right. And you don't know where you're
I have
going.
Officer Phillip on speed
I
dial.
have to be at the content house in 1 hour. It takes 1 hour and 30 to get there. I'm Jessica. I don't understand how you don't understand.
The police station's right up here, okay? I'm going to drop you off.
Don't take me to the... Why? I don't belong at the place. I belong at the content house. I belong
You can talk to them. You can
at
talk.
the beach.
Oh,
not
you
at
know
the
what?
police
Maybe you
station.
can ask them for a free ride. Maybe they'll take you. Yeah, maybe that'll work out for you better, okay? So get out here.
You think so?
Yeah, get out of my car
But
and
you
go
still-
walk
you
inside.
can't
There's the
take
front
me?
door right there,
You
okay?
can't take me.
No. Maybe they can
No,
take you.
you
Go talk to
suck. I'm
them.
giving you nothing. You don't deserve anything. You're the worst Uber driver I've ever had in my life. Also, you need better glasses. So get your shit together.
Don't cuss. Are you serious? Hello, you're here for an Uber?
Hi.
Hi. What's the name?
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
What's your name?
I'm Dylan. Come on in. How's it going?
I'm good. You're cute.
Oh, thank you. So can you confirm who the destination?
Yeah, so we're going to, does it say, okay, yeah, Lakeview? Yeah.
Okay.
So what are you doing today?
Just driving Uber. I'm
Yeah.
probably I'm going for an all-time record. I'm trying to clock in 12 hours because
Wow.
I have to pay my car payment tomorrow, so.
That's a lot of hours.
And I have to pay student loans.
Yeah.
So,
You got a lot going on.
I have my student loans are just through the roof, and I'm waiting for Joe Biden to forgive them, but he hasn't done that yet, so
Well,
we'll see.
hopefully that day comes soon. In the
But yeah, so I'm just trying to make money, you know.
I'm going to a party, and
Good for you. I hope you have fun.
Oh yeah, so that's, you know, I actually get a +1, and I know we just met, but I was wondering if you wanted to come. My friend's having a party, and There's gonna be drinks and
Like go with
food.
you to the party?
Yeah, come with me to the party.
I don't know. I'm not really a party guy, to be honest.
You don't like parties? I
Not-
think you'd have a lot of fun. You know DaBaby? DaBaby's gonna be there.
DaBaby?
Yeah,
Like
DaBaby. Yeah.
he's like
and
a
I know
rapper.
you like him because I see that's what you're listening to last. So he's actually gonna be there.
I don't know. I'd probably
And
be
you
too
can
nervous.
come and you can leave whenever.
I
as
kind of
long
get
as you
social.
stay.
I kind of have social anxiety, so I don't really like to go to big crowds. Like
Okay.
that's why I like doing Uber because it's like 2-3 people max. You know. So
Okay. Well, maybe we'll just call you after the party, and then you can drive me and all my friends home. Does that sound good?
well, I have to do it through the Uber app, or else I might get in trouble.
Oh, really? So
Yeah.
you can't give me your number?
You want my phone number?
Yeah.
For what?
I think you're so cute.
Oh my gosh.
I
What
want
the
you
heck?
to come to the party.
You want me to go to the party with you?
Yes.
I
Can you?
don't know. Just as friends, right?
Yeah. Just as friends.
Nothing more?
No, nothing more.
Because I'm trying to save myself till marriage.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, my friend just asked to see a picture of you, so is it okay if...
No, please no. I don't really. It's like
Okay,
privacy.
so
I don't
I'll
really
just
like to
send that
record it.
her.
I don't like being on the internet or anything. Like I don't have social media.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
I get it for sure.
Thanks. You're not sending
Oh
that
my
to anyone.
god, you said you're cute. You are.
I said don't send that to anybody.
Well, you're gonna meet her in just a second.
I don't
anyway,
like
so-
being on the internet or anything. Like
You're
people
gonna meet her so
make
soon.
people used to make fun of me online.
Why
Like
would they do that?
I used to post these videos and like people would just comment like I don't know. So I just
That's
stopped.
so messed up. It's okay, you'll fit right in at this party because everyone there makes videos in too.
No, like I don't like to do that anymore. That's
Oh.
why, because like I quit because the haters were too strong.
Well, sometimes you just gotta say heck to the haters and go to the party.
Heck to the haters?
And have fun and meet the baby and dance.
So it's right up here where all these people are.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, everyone's so dressed
Okay, you'll
up.
have to find a parking spot because you're gonna come in.
I'm not going in.
You said you would.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you said you would. Plus, I already sent her a picture of you and she knows you're coming.
All right, I'll come in for like
Yay!
5 minutes.
Oh my gosh, yay!
But I can't drink
Can
because I
I
have
tell
to.
them you're my boyfriend? Is that okay? That's okay? Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Oh my gosh.
Let's go,
Okay.
let's go!
All right, let's go.
The baby. We going to a party, party, party.
Hi, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Welcome in. What's the name?
My name's Elle.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I got it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's your day going?
Better now, honestly.
Yeah. Why is that?
Just didn't expect my Uber driver to be so cute.
What do you? Wait, what?
Like, look at your little glasses.
Can you? I'm
You're
trying to
so
drive.
Cute. Let me see right here.
Oh, this is kind of tickling me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry.
How's your day going though?
This is soft. What is this? Boyfriend material?
It's just I'm pretty sure it's like cotton.
Yeah. Well, with me around, it could be.
Well, because I have an
boyfriend
allergy
material.
to polyester, so like I can't wear like I
Oh.
just have to wear like cotton or hemp.
So when I buy you stuff, I'll have to make sure that I don't buy the wrong thing.
Wait, why would you buy me stuff? Like I'm just taking you to your destination, right?
Yeah, but I thought maybe I could.
Hey, why
get your
is
number.
there no destination? What did you?
Oh, I canceled it.
Why'd you cancel the ride?
Well, I don't want to go to this DA now. I'd rather hang out with you.
You canceled it because you just wanted to hang out with me?
Yeah.
I don't know, cause I gotta do more rides and stuff. So like, it's.
You need to relax.
Are you literally giving me a massage right now?
Does it feel good?
I mean, it does. Like you're actually like really good at that. Oh.
You have so much tension.
Oh my God! Wait, are you trained?
No.
Oh
Just
wow.
good with my hands.
Yeah, that's actually really. Hold on, I need to drive. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. No, you're fine.
Yeah, fine enough for you to not worry about Uber
I
driving.
you know what? This has gone too far already. Like I can't do this. I'm sorry.
Why, are you nervous?
I'm breaking up with you.
Fuck, that's the second time this week.
What? How many people do you do this to? Are you serious? Get out of my car. Get out.
No.
Get out of my car.
Well, then at least drive
It's
me
not
to
even
my other
special.
DA.
You just said that it literally already happened this week. Like I haven't been on a date in like 6 months, and it sounds like you go on dates like every other like week. So You probably...
Well, you could change that if it was a good date.
Okay, can you just please get out of my car? Like, that's not cool at all.
Could you at least just take me to where we're going? I'll just sit back here quietly.
No, well, you need to pay me.